No matter what client we've gotten, we've been able to put them into the software and make it work. So, for instance, we've had a lottery winner, someone completely, not ordinary. We've been able to put it into the system and run the type of reports that they needed that would be, directed toward their situation. We've had domestic partnership that we've been able to run through the system and have it come out correct. They have, very special rules on where they're protected and where they're not protected that we've been able to run through the system and have work. We live in a community property state, which is very different from probably most, a lot of your other users, because there's so few community property states. And the software is able to accommodate all the different community property rules. And one of my favorite features is the account on account that they came out with. I think it's been out about a year, or perfected for about a year, to where you could talk about, an LLC that owns an LP that maybe still owns a portion of a trust, and then have it all kind of flow back out and come out correctly on your reports has really, really been helpful and cut down on the amount of Excel spreadsheets that we're doing on the side. We can go in, we can enter a client's data and produce that financial plan and the different analyses that we need a lot quicker, get back with the client and move on with their financial planning and start implementing the recommendations that we have. I've actually in the past used the sync feature to where we synced from IAS to Outlook to a BlackBerry and back up, and that was amazing. That's a great feature. So as much as we're traveling, we can be plugged in wherever we're at, either if we have a laptop or not, having the PDA as well. It allows us to work with highly complicated and highly complex situations and be able to accommodate that with our client and not have to use other supplemental software, which is my favorite feature about it. Is we can do just about everything we need to do inside the software and not have to do anything outside, which cuts down our turnaround time to the client and helps us serve them better. The part that we love about it is what we can do. I mean, it's just, I've described it before as this really big ship that takes a long time to move in one direction or the other, but at the same time, because it's so big, it can accommodate anything we need to do, and our special requests are able to be accommodated when we need special things in the software done to produce what we need to produce. IAS is able to accommodate that, whereas if we were to call up Naviplan or eMoney, most likely they wouldn't change their software to accommodate what we need to see and what we need to produce for our client. And that's one of the things that we love the most, is the customized approach that IAS takes.